Good morning everyone. I am Chanodaya Vikramarachi, 2018 ICT 93. I am going to present about dynamic memory allocation. Uh, First of all, you can see the contents of my presentation. These are introduction, memory allocation process, malloc, calloc, free, realloc, and difference between malloc and calloc. First of all, we consider what is the dynamic memory allocation. The process of allocating memory at runtime is dynamic memory allocation. We can dynamically allocate storage space while the program is running, but we can't create new variable names on the fly. For this reason, dynamic allocation requires two steps. First one is creating the dynamic space. Second one is storing its address in a pointer. This is the memory allocation process. It has four stages. There are local variables, free memory, global variables, and C program instructions. Local variables is the stack. Free memory is the heap. Global variables and C program instructions is the permanent storage area. C program has a four routine library for memory allocation and free space. First one is malloc, second one is calloc, third one is free, and fourth one is realloc. From this we can consider one by one. First one is malloc. Malloc means memory allocation. Malloc is used to dynamically allocate a single large block of memory with the specified size. It returns a pointer of type void which can be cast into a pointer of any form. It initializes each block with default garbage value. This is the syntax and the example. In here example, since the size of int is 4 bytes, this statement will allocate 400 bytes of memory, and the pointer ptr holds the address of the first byte in the allocated memory. Second one is calloc. Calloc means contiguous allocation. Calloc is used to dynamically allocate the specified number of blocks of memory of the specified type. It initializes each block with the default value 0. This is the syntax and example. In example here, this statement allocate contiguous space in memory for 25 elements, each with the size of the float. Third one is free. Free method is used to dynamically deallocate the memory. The memory allocated using functions malloc and calloc is not deallocated on their own. It helps to reduce the wastage of memory by freeing it. This is the syntax for that. Last one is realloc. Realloc means reallocation. Realloc is used to dynamically change the memory allocation of a previously allocated memory. Reallocation of memory maintains the already present value and new block will be initialized with default garbage value. This is the syntax for here. The last part of my presentation is difference between malloc and calloc. The name malloc stands for memory allocation. The name calloc stands for contiguous allocation. Malloc takes only one argument, but calloc takes two arguments. In malloc, amount of memory is in bytes. In calloc, amount of memory of single variable in numbers of variables. Malloc does not initialize the memory allocated. Calloc guarantees that all the bytes of allocated memory block have been initialized to 0. So my presentation is over. I think you get a knowledge about the dynamic memory allocation. So thank you for listening to me.